What is going on YouTube? Hayden here, and in today's episode we have to continue from where we left off in yesterday's episode, talking about most of the major cryptocurrencies, watching the massive explosion that has taken place over most every cryptocurrency, specifically XRP. We know XRP has literally exploded to the upside, like over 100% in the past week. It has been an incredible rally nonetheless here. You can see the size of this thing. We have exploded from, like, if we go from here, over 100%. It's insane, almost 150% from this that we were tracking a couple of weeks ago here. And now we're starting to consolidate. Now what's really happening is we're starting to unveil and uncover some new technical indicators, which is what we've been waiting for here, because typically after exploding in price, it's such an insane run. It's such a manipulative FOMO, fear of missing out market that pretty much anything goes. It's like the wild, wild west. Nobody knows what's going to happen because there's so much money flowing and moving out. Now, I do highly believe cryptocurrency is going to go even higher this year into next year, but we do need to come down a little bit here. This is way too ridiculous and not feasible as continuing to take place, if that makes sense here. So lots of interesting things we're going to have to go over and talk about here. But moving forward from XRP, we're also going to be looking at Solana, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and the S&P, and they all kind of intertwine with each other, intermingle, and it'll make more sense later on in today's episode. So with that being said, smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's get right into today's episode. So guys, before we dive into the technical analysis, BitFi is giving away $8,100 in free bonus cryptocurrency to people who decide to deposit, and there's also ways for you to earn free cryptocurrency just by signing up for free with the link down in the description. I did speak with Bitfi just the other day about XRP exploding, and they are putting some campaign together for us, or their entire website, in regards to XRP. So there is going to be a new reward bonus giveaway, something like that, happening for XRP for us. So stay tuned the next couple of days. I should be getting the news fairly soon, which is exciting. But you guys can earn over 8K, which is super cool. I call it exchange arbitrage. You can deposit money into the exchange, get the bonus, and then withdraw what you deposited and still have the bonus in the account. And you can do this however many times you sign up on the exchange, or by going to other exchanges and doing the same thing. You can keep getting tons of bonus money to trade around on. And that's a lot. Like, 8K might sound like a ton, but you really, even $100, $200 goes a really far way. And I'll explain more later on in today's video why it does, because you can leverage it. Anywho, you can see yesterday we made a video here talking about how there's a good chance we are going to see another bull run within a lot of these cryptocurrencies on top of XRP. Said the breakout's far from over. Another major rally could be in the mix right now, and that's typically what we see after these major explosions to the upside. We're looking for new technical indicators on these shorter term patterns here, and there's definitely ones forming. You can see on the market cap, we're only up 0.5%. And you can kind of see that volume is steadily dying off here. We are still in the extreme greed category, but we are kind of hit that turning point where we've plateaued, and we're starting now to dip back down or veer a little bit lower across the board on a lot of these major cryptocurrencies. Like, a lot of them are starting to veer downwards here. You can see the past 24 hours, we're not doing too hot. Bitcoin's still up only 9. Ethereum's now dropping. Solana's up a bit. XRP's up 95% for the week. It was definitely the slow and steady one here, the last one to take off. But other cryptocurrencies are steadily dying back too. Like Doge was up over 100%. Now it's only up 25%. But again, we are starting to plateau. Like, volume is steadily coming back down. FOMO is settling. People are done buying, and then it's probably going to see a reversal soon. So that's what you guys have to pay attention to. But to start with XRP, notice all these cryptocurrencies. Solana has an indicator on the 4-hour. So does Ethereum. So does Bitcoin. So does S&P. But XRP, we're looking for something similar as well that we've been tracking. So we're going to have to adjust this just a hair like this. Bada bing, bada boom. You can see now we are still in an uptrend for sure that we're using to carry the prices higher. And we can get rid of this. I told you in the past here that we're looking for some sort of downtrend to help kind of gauge where the market's moving to. But because there was only like 2 points of confirmation, that is not enough at all to confirm or deny anything in regards to price patterns here. So I would not be surprised if we continue to move. We still are looking for a top here. This could be like this. This could be like this. Maybe we see something along the lines of this. We don't know just yet. So we're going to leave it like this for right now, but there is a very, very valid chance that there is a new indicator forming here. XRP likes its descending fractals. It has done it time and time again. Look at all the times back years ago in 2023 or months ago in 2023. Look at how often it was forming these bull flags consistently. And then we had symmetrical triangles that could also be considered bull flags if you wanted. We had a bull flag right here, and lots of these formations are happening. So to see that happen now, XRP likes to form these sort of fractals. So don't say you don't have anything to track, if that makes sense. There's plenty of evidence here to show new information forming. So this could be forming a bull flag. We could be rejecting here, and we could fill this out, and then this could lead us to a higher break, which would be exciting. But consolidation nonetheless, I do believe we are due for consolidation this week here. I don't think we're going to explode. I mean, we have this uptrend we've been using that's still very powerful. So we'll see how this plans out. But if we break through, wouldn't be surprised. And then we start to fill this in, form a beautiful bull flag, and then probably see a break to the upside here. And this is why we track things on the technicals. On the short term, we can kind of zoom in, uncover new patterns here. All these trades can be done on BitFi, the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel, because BitFi lets you buy long, lets you sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, take profits. Every single thing you'd want on an exchange is offered on BitFi, including a demo trading account, which is awesome. And then you can see right here, new user benefits up to $8,100. So check this out. So by clicking that link here, you get brought to the reward center. They have exclusive tasks for you to earn, tons of free cryptocurrency of demo trading, daily benefits for you guys to claim every single day. And then they even have the new user benefits, $100 to new users. And then they have up to $8K in bonus money for depositing and trading, which is also interesting. So you guys can check out and wait for the XRP one that's coming out too. You'll be able to earn even more. You can already be signed up, which is super cool. But then you head on over to the live trading or the demo trading account. They give you 50 grand in bonus money. You use that to get familiar with the exchange. If you can tell you've made profitable trades, you click on live trade. And then you can use that bonus money. I only have $10 at this time, but you can literally see if we go to, where is it? Market orders. Let's just say we're going to do leverage. That is way too high. Let's go to bonus wallet. You can see right here, we have 20x leverage. We can leverage this up to $180 in bonus crypto that we can use. And anything we make off that, we can keep. Because if you see right here, bonus wallet says trading profits can be withdrawn. So that means you can trade with their money. And even if you lose the bonus money, it's not yours to begin with. So it's that simple. It's that convenient here. Otherwise, moving forward from BitFi, looking at these other cryptos, Solana just broke out recently of its bull flag. Don't know if there's a new formation here. I mean, one could argue something like this, but I don't know just yet. It's a little too early to tell. This is still a possibility, though. I mean, I'll leave it for right now, but we did break out, which was definitely exciting, and we are forming some sort of fractal here, that's for sure. But I do think we are definitely due for correction. Same thing with XRP, Ethereum. You can see this bull flag clearly playing out. This is an incredible bull flag. And depending on how low we go, it might be right around moving average. We should expect to see a rally on that as well. So that's exciting news. That's big. That's something you guys should be paying attention to, because after these major explosions happen, typically we start to form smaller indicators, smaller technical things that we can track on the short term that can lead us into bigger or better movements here. So I'm excited to see that as well. Anywho, moving forward, same thing goes with Bitcoin here. I almost think now we could maybe draw something along the lines of this as the newer formation. And there's always going to be changing constantly, but this is now forming a bull flag. This could easily break us bullish as well. Beautiful uptrend, fill in the gap. We could easily see that rally to the upside here. So that's exciting news to view. It's a new indicator. Pay attention. Consolidation can take place, but wait for it. And it is an aggressive trade nonetheless, but it is something to wait for this to pan out. If we can confirm closure above this, we could rally up. If we confirm closure below that, we would expect to see a drop, a dump to the downside here. So there's lots of things across the board, technical indicators that are forming here that you guys should be paying attention to, because they will yield some new profits, new trades in the very near future. And to wrap up today's video, S&P opened up in the red today, and you can already see we're starting to veer downwards here. I would think hopefully we can form some new technical indicator and that could hopefully lead us to a new trade opportunity. You can see the obvious indicator right there. This could be forming a new one just like this. We don't know just yet, but it is very obvious. If I jump to the 4-hour, does that help us? Nope, not really. So we need this to pan out, but I would argue probably going to be continuing to head down as we always do. And then we'll rally up even higher to all-time highs. So I'm excited. Hopefully you guys are too. Make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's episode. Peace.